same J-Pack today help this lady in my presence. J-Pack called my attention and said, be promoting this lady. At least lay comment on her page. Free. Oh. Today she's behind the tone, the underground now. If you are real life, I don't know. Do you know? I put a quarter. Check on a table guy met up, but that's her looking physical. You don't know her. She's one of the admins on WhatsApp. She's one of those people writing, typing. Onya madam ge. Onya your queen mother now. Give me a bet for that call nanya. Odoga. And after you I don't forgive. Go and mark my word. Even if I forgive, I don't forget. At any slight, I know I will lay hands on my enemies, except me genuinely unfair. And even if I forgive you, forever I will be careful of you. J-Pack did this for these people here for ya. Only and here for that change. She can't be grateful because somebody know, according to what I heard, unhappy dear can remove, unhappy dear can chaff. That's whom she is. And when he holds up, that's her life. If you or drink, I don't know why a man in the jail made mistake in a one. I don't understand them. Why you don't enjoy respect you make a dear ritual be joy also. Nkabo, onye ka dotranjo, dika. Ekwasami buri ge buri o. Kwasami just cool oda merege live broadcast. Bie gi kre but anu mata ge tegi dey nga no gi governor Eziokwu no. The other aji no na Lagos na kofusi akụkọ. You create page is all you do. All you do, because you got WhatsApp or private calls on them mother. You say, "I got a task card." Including me, everybody to put a camera that I gave you. It's just a shoe with the size. If I think about you, because I'm a nago jiggy stick, I don't forget. I don't forget. If I forget, if I ever forget, go and mark my word to if you forget at all costs, and my people say no at all. The highest days it will take an Xmas will come is 365 days. One thing all of you, one after the other. On wire. Mrizo, the ground will still be white. It may take time. Manamiri Yanono is already it's a promise. It's a promise, he man forget it. Okay, on the camera. He ran talk about Eziokwu. He will repeat one because you can join, you don't get anybody. When level, spiritual and physical are you don't even have any value. The other idiot to care go down here, or Governor Eziokwu your problem. I've told Reverend Ephraim, you won't remain. Surprise.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Please subscribe on this new channel. Thank you and God bless you.